Hi there, in this tutorial, we will see how you can store custom content blocks and reuse them later. So let's take it through an example. We have an email here, and the header is pretty much used in every single mail. So instead of redesigning it, what we can do is you can simply click on this header. Then you can hit on the save icon and give this a name. Let's call it main header in our case, and then simply click on submit. Once you see the success message, that means the custom content block has been saved. Then simply click on Rows tab and click on the drop-down. Then select Saved Rows. All the custom content blocks that you save will appear here. You can filter through them by typing any keyword here as well. Now this will be saved in your team, and you can reuse this whenever you want to, by simply dragging and dropping this, and you can reuse it in any of your emails. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching.